to run a gym, make friends with me, to lift the weights, not my dread, instead of living here in my head. So now I'm stuck here, feeling so glum, just whispering softly, I am so dumb. I should have gone to med school too, then had a job, something to do, a husband, a kid, a dog to jog, not drowning thoughts in mental fog. I'm so dumb, I'm so dumb, I'm so tragically, brilliantly dumb.
Instead of working out, I stay on my couch with my sci-fi dreams in a wordy slouch. No one reads, no one cares, no one joins me in my stairs. I wish I didn't chase ideas, big, bright, useless galaxies. I wish I didn't chase ideas, so while they eat my sanity.
Dumb, I wish I was dumb again, not haunted by my genius pen. Dumb enough to play guitar, to sell out shows and be a star. Madison Square, my name in lights, applause to drown my sleepless nights. But here I sit, the office hums, my screen just blinks, no outcome comes. I have a brain, it's my disease, it traps me in realities. I'm so dumb, too smart to quit, too weak to run.
Instead of working out, I stay on my couch with my sci-fi dreams in a wordy slouch. No one reads, no one cares, no one joins me in my stairs. I wish I didn't chase ideas, big, bright, useless galaxies. I wish I didn't chase ideas, so while they eat my sanity.
If I were dumb, I'd have it made, no thoughts to haunt, no bills unpaid. But here I sit, my heart a drum, too full of stars to just be dumb.
My sci-fi dreams in a wordy slouch. No one reads, no one cares, no one joins me in my stairs. I wish I didn't chase ideas, big, bright, useless galaxies. I wish I didn't chase ideas, so while they eat my sanity. Instead of working out, I stay on my couch, my sci-fi dreams in a wordy slouch.